I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988.
Here we have a Mercedes W124 E220 CE pillarless coupe. Really good condition throughout. She's got the 16 valve engine, these nice 8-hole alloys, really clean, straight, original car, and it's just got a new NCT till May 2024. Inside she's specced with this lovely all grey leather interior, lovely set of veneers. Both seats are in really good condition in the front. There's a centre armrest. Seat facings are good and unworn. Driver's side as well. 4 electric windows. Original Mercedes stereo. Back seats perfect condition as well. Comes with both keys. Very clean boot. Full-size spare wheel, large and small tools. Very clean engine bay as well. Well-serviced car. We just got a new NCT till May 23. Comes with a lot of paperwork and a complete book pack.
Let's go for a little spin. Starts first time. This is a really good example of one of these. I've had a lot of these over the years and this one has survived really well. Pulls away smoothly. Very nice automatic box in this. There's a receipt on file for gearbox service quite recently and it's been really well looked after with loads of other work done to it as well. She's in exceptionally good condition inside for a 27-year-old car. Original radio cassette in working order. You got this lovely big sunroof. All the electric windows are working, the seatbelt bucklers are working. This car's been owned by enthusiasts for the last few years and they've really looked after her well. It's a nothing to do car, ready to go. In their day, these were a very expensive car. I remember they cost upwards of 50,000 punts. So it represents, I think, serious value for money today. I don't think you'll find a much better one around. Definitely one to put away for the future.
Price is €10,950. Comes with 3 months, 3,000 miles parts and labour warranty. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on Trustpilot in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.